It has been quite an eventful day. A brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has been delivered to me. Before we go into the reasons why I made the switch from an Apple iPhone to an Android device, let's first unbox it. Switching from an iOS device to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first impressions are strikingly vivid and multifaceted. Unboxing the Galaxy S24 Ultra reveals a sleek, meticulously crafted device that feels both premium and robust in hand, a departure from the familiar aesthetics of an iPhone. Powering on the device, you're greeted by a vibrant display that showcases deep contrasts and brilliant colors, setting the stage for a visual experience that's immersive and detailed. The initial setup process is surprisingly intuitive, guiding you through each step with ease and introducing the unique features of One UI, Samsung's custom interface atop Android. This moment marks the beginning of a journey filled with discovery. As you start to navigate the nuances of a new operating system, appreciating the thoughtful touches and customization options that are distinctly different from the iOS environment, the transition evokes a sense of excitement and curiosity as every swipe, tap, and interaction promises to reveal more about what the Galaxy S24 Ultra has to offer. Navigating the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra after transitioning from an iOS device offers a fresh and customizable experience that feels both innovative and personalized. Samsung's One UI, layered over Android, is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring large, easily accessible icons and a focus on one-handed use that brings a noticeable ergonomic ease to daily interactions. The transition from iOS streamlined interface, there is a depth of customization options. From changing themes and icons to adjusting the always-on display, can feel like a leap into a world where personal preference dictates the device's look and feel. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's interface promotes a more tailored interaction, with the Edge panel and Good Lock customization suite offering shortcuts and widgets that can be finely tuned to suit any need. Meanwhile, the fluidity of navigating through apps, the quick panel, and settings reveals a sophisticated balance between complexity and intuitiveness, challenging and rewarding users to explore and optimize their tech to match their lifestyle. This exploration not only uncovers the breadth of what the Galaxy S24 Ultra can do, but also gradually builds a unique and deeply personal user experience that stands in contrast to the more uniform approach of iOS. Transitioning to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from an iOS device brings a new perspective on app experience, highlighting the diversity and adaptability of Android's ecosystem. Users immediately notice the breadth of customization available within apps. This flexibility enhances the functionality of apps, allowing for a more personalized interaction. Additionally, the Google Play Store has a wide array of apps, including some that are not available on the App Store, offering alternatives and niche options that cater to a broader range of needs and interests. However, this transition also requires adaptation, as some apps may display slight differences in layout or functionality, reflecting the diverse hardware and software configurations Android supports. Despite these variations, many find that core apps like social media, productivity, and communication tools offer a seamless cross-platform experience, maintaining familiarity amidst change. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's powerful hardware ensures apps run smoothly, with quick load times and an enhanced ability to handle multitasking, making the app experience both efficient and enjoyable. This shift not only broadens the user's digital horizons, but also encourages exploration and customization, hallmark traits of the Android ecosystem. After a week with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the initial strangeness of not having an iOS device fades, replaced by an appreciation for the flexibility and innovation embedded within the Android ecosystem. The transition period reveals a wealth of features and customizations that were not possible on an iOS device, from adjusting the theme and layout of the home screen to exploring the depths of settings that allow for a more personalized device experience. Gradually, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's expansive display, superior camera capabilities, and the seamless integration with Google's suite of services become not just novelties, but integral parts of daily digital life. The apprehension about leaving behind the familiar confines of iOS diminishes as the benefits of Android's open ecosystem, such as easier file transfers, a wider range of compatible devices, and a more customizable interface, become apparent. Even the initial challenge of replacing or finding Android equivalents for favorite iOS apps turns into an opportunity to discover new, perhaps more suitable applications that enhance productivity or entertainment. By the week's end, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra feels less like a foreign object and more like a carefully chosen tool, tailored to fit the nuances of personal preference and lifestyle, marking the beginning of a new chapter in personal technology use that is characterized by flexibility, exploration, and a newfound sense of control. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching.